How to change language on Snapchat on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Once you're on the profile page, click on the settings icon. Now here you're gonna find different option, but within Snapchat you won't find the option to change the language. In order to change the language in your Snapchat, you'll need to change the language in your device. So you'll need to launch your settings app. Navigate to the option General. Click on the option Language and Reason. Now click on the option Add Language. With that, you're gonna find the list of the language. Select any of it. Click on it. Click on Use. With that, the language for your device will be updated. Now, you can open your Snapchat. The language for Snapchat will also be changed. So this is how you can change language on Snapchat on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.